Robuken senjog och danik förlån ska alla ski att den nådsen balla vår kolanen tog och gerari Iranen ratoja denna hava shishi nonsen tanna nej Roiken agana kapten jag var Lakshina sanarali Narakolan kuban goroshi yolar Akshile vantarala Akshira sirtiro shi sastur slag shi spiran tajra Shikolkan tishkan moren kidveke Tishin kibes paranuja Salmes mina kiskiwagi Trini chasse skallen gaska Niröppna hemmage Kualan cheve julla fele Pidi svanakes panchagi Shikroken senjog och danik förlån ska röra ski Att den nådsen mala vår förlanen tog och gerari
Thank you very much. This is a tune on the harp this time, composed by Turla O'Carolan, who was an 18th century harpist, composer, who wrote great tunes like Carolan's Concerto and many fine pieces like that. This tune he dedicated to a good friend of his during his time, and the tune is called Mrs. McDermott.